This Black & Decker sander is called the mouse sander for good reason. It's similar to the mouse like on your computer. As you can see, it's got a pointed shape that you can sand in that direction, and you can get the sander into some small corners, some small areas as well. And you can see the sander, you got the little vacuum ports there that kind of keeps the dust off of you and then into this micro filter that's attached here. And you can take whatever grit sandpaper you have and just align the holes up. And it's kind of got a Velcro stick on the bottom end. Stays in place. It just peels right off when you get through with this. So you got the on and off switch on the top. But overall, it's a good tool there. So I'm going to give this a try on this cedar swing here today. Okay, as you can see, the sanding got a lot of black dark spots off of the cedar. So I would definitely recommend the Black & Decker mouse sander. So if you like this video, be sure and give me the thumbs up. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. So have a great day.